Now let's talk about learning vocabulary utilizing word journals. A word journal is a personalized collection of new vocabulary where students can track words and their definition and example sentences to help them better learn the language and develop a habit which reinforces their learning. One way that you can utilize AI with a word journal is to have AI-generated example sentences using AI tools, chatbots like ChatGPT or Grammarly or Ludwig to generate a diverse set of examples of sentences utilizing high-frequency words. These can also be questions that are answered within the journal. These could be journal starters or prompts that prompt the user to respond in the language that they're trying to learn. This also helps the learner see the language in multiple contexts and apply what they know and what they believe to be the correct, and if not, be corrected or utilize AI to help correct them. Another way to utilize AI with a word journal is voice-to-text journals with AI summaries. Students can create their own audio, have it be recorded by a tool like Otter AI, have it then transcripted and corrected within the application, and potentially move to a digital journal or a written journal for reinforcement. These tools record audio, allow the student to then have a transcript or a summary of what they've been speaking, and to see if their pronunciation and use of the language is picked up by the use of the AI. AI can help summarize the entries, suggest synonyms, or help the student highlight a key pattern in how they're speaking, and help them better understand how correct they are, and to better understand how correct they are with their use of the language. This can be done with a tool like Otter AI or Notion AI. What I'd like to go over now is a prompt for keeping a word journal. So here with the word journal, I am keeping a word journal to improve my English vocabulary. Can you generate diverse example sentences for the following words? Meticulous, elated, obscure, ponder, and transient. Please provide at least 3 different sentence contexts for each word. Casual, a sentence that fits everyday conversation. Academic, formal, a sentence suitable for professional, academic, or formal writing. Creative, a sentence that is descriptive, poetic, or fits a storytelling context. If possible, highlight different ways the word can be used. Verb, noun, adjective. So this is a prompt that you would use for a group of words that you are looking to add to maybe your journal, maybe just 3 to 5 words, and then the 3 different contexts and additional information. So we have meticulous, we got the casual, the academic, and the creative examples. My mother is meticulous about cleaning. She even dusts the top of door frames. Then we have academic, formal. The scientist meticulous documentation ensured that her experiment could be replicated with accuracy. Then we have the creative. He traced each letter with meticulous precision as if the very act of writing could summon the past back to life. And then we have that for each word: elated, obscure, ponder, transient. And so that would be what you would add to the word journal. And that would allow a person to then, grow with specific words and think about what words they could develop with their word journal. Now, another prompt that could be used here is I have been dictating my daily word journal using voice-to-text tools. Can you summarize my latest entries, suggest synonyms for keywords, and highlight past patterns in my writing? Also, based on my word usage, recommend new words that would help expand my vocabulary. Here is my latest entry. So what you would do here is you would utilize a tool like Otter AI or the transcription from a video or audio tool, and you would paste it right here in order to get the list in which you've prompted for. Let me see if I can get a transcript for us. So what I'm doing here is I have a transcript from a piece of text about Notebook LM, which is another tool. And I'm just gonna take that, copy it all, and then use that as my example. So based on the example, that the key here is the prompt and understanding what the prompt is requesting. Basically, text from a summary of a voice-to-text tool. And here is the summary, and it's being used as my word journal entry. So some of my key themes and writing patterns is process-orientated. It's going into exploration and adaptability, frequent use of filler words and repetitive phrasings. So I think that's because I'm just speaking into it. Focus on teaching and application, because the topic is learning about a specific tool and what it can be used for. It's giving me suggested synonyms, which is very handy because it's words that are similar to the ones that I'm using. So if I wanted to change those up or make them more diverse, I can. And then to expand my vocabulary, there are some additional tools. So it's what it's doing is amazingly, it's taking what I may have already been providing for text and expanding it. Basically, words that could expand my vocabulary, suggested synonyms, key themes, which is important, and a summary. So that can be very powerful when working on a word journal, basically having a better understanding of how your learning is going and how you can expand it.